I am Jean-Claude Mondo from Cameroon, and I am currently working in the Tax Administration Department of Studies, and I was heading till the end of last year, and for the last 7 years I was heading the Fiscal Cadastre project, which was in charge of managing property tax at the central level. I would like to address on the topic maximizing the revenue potential of property tax through digitalization. I would like to address here 3 aspects of property tax management that will be strongly impacted and ameliorated by digitalization. This shall be presented based on the Cameroonian experience. First of all, digitalization is important in the participatory constitution of database combined with the distribution of pre-filed tax returns. The setbacks encountered in the property tax reform in Cameroon, particularly in the implementation of the pre-filed tax return, have led to a move toward digitalization and civic involvement in order to improve the property tax management system and its performance. In the past, we took the gamble to prepare a pre-filed tax return for each taxpayer and to serve them at home. The liable person being thereby had to proceed with the corresponding payment or propose the necessary modification to the tax return. While the idea was laudable, the shortcomings in the manual management of this segment of property tax have had a negative impact on compliance and resulted in a cap on the yield. Today, after an evaluation of the system, the obvious solution has been to computerize the system alongside with a call for civic participation in order to develop the property tax database and distribute the pre-filed tax returns. An interactive computer application will allow interaction with taxpayers via their email addresses, WhatsApp account, Telegram account, or simple telephone messages to send or receive information about their properties, assessment, and payment terms. The second aspect in which the digitalization will be crucial is the range of the payment system on offer. Once taxpayers have been informed via digital channels about their tax situation, it is indispensable for them to have access to electronic means of payment. The mobile tax solution, which is the mobile phone payment solution widely used in Cameroon, will have to be made more available. Finally, the last area in which I would like to address as concerning digitalization is communication. Not classic communication by banners, posters, radio messages that interest very few people, but digital communication by messages sent or exchanged between the computer platform and the email account or WhatsApp or Telegram or account of identified taxpayers. Moreover, this communication will have to be implemented in collaboration with the local authorities that benefit from this tax and that are more credible and closer to the communities. I cannot conclude this shooting without recalling why property tax is becoming very important in the African context. The acceleration in many countries of the continent of the decentralization process has made it essential to increase the resources of the local authorities and property tax is a local tax par excellence. Moreover, today, with the COVID-19 pandemic, we have become aware of the limits of the taxation of economic activities as a revenue mobilization tool for local authorities. It seems important that the taxation of property, essentially land of individuals and companies, should come as a complement to the taxation of economic activities already advanced in the continent, especially as urban expansion was not stopped in Africa during the COVID-19 crisis.